You must know these 5 Audacity effects to make your sound better. By better, I mean to achieve the requirements of any platform. It can be a voiceover demo platform or podcast platform. It can be audiobook narration, or simple content creation for social media platforms. In other words, if you want to achieve a professional quality voice, you must know how to configure these effects at the basic level. If you find yourself not knowing how to configure any of these effects, I would strongly recommend taking my Audacity course for beginners. In this set of effects, the compressor effect is a complex effect to apply. You have to understand the audio level to properly configure a compressor. Otherwise, the compressor effect can destroy perfectly fine audio. The EQ effect can be used in 2 cases. The first case is quite generic as a high-pass filter. Human voice generally has nothing below 80 Hz, so a roll-off below 80 Hz can reduce noise sometimes without affecting the voice. The other use case is to reduce harshness or sweeten the voice. We will learn about it as we progress through the course. The configuration of other effects follows a standard rule across any voice recording. The purpose of this lecture is to make sure you know about these effects. If not, either take my Audacity course for beginners or watch some YouTube videos. You will get links in the description. Make sure you know about the basics of these effects, otherwise you won't get the desired quality in audio. If you are watching this lecture on YouTube, it is part of my Advanced Audacity course. I am giving a heavy discount on the course building phase. You can pre-order this course from this Buy Me a Coffee page. You can also check the curriculum. This course will take your Audacity editing skills to a whole new level. You will be able to edit and produce professional quality voiceovers and audiobooks confidently. You will become an advanced level Audacity user to use Audacity to its full potential. If you are editing voices for voiceover demos, or YouTube or online courses, I would recommend you take this course. If you want to become a professional VO artist, I would say it is a must-have course for you. You will learn techniques like removing popping Ps or plosives and mouth clicks. You will learn advanced EQ techniques and efficient voice processing with Audacity. You will find the link in the description. Enroll in the course and give yourself an amazing opportunity to uplift your skills.